How you doing, brother?
Excuse.
Hello po.
Hi. Hello.
Okay.
Oh my God. He got 1,000 views, Papi. Hello? Hello po. How are you?
I'm good. Taga saan po sila?
Philippines.
Oh, saan sa
Manila.
Pilipinas?
Manila.
Manila.
Mm-mm. And
Thank
you?
you.
Taga saan ka? Where are you from?
Pakistan. Hindi, Manila din. Nasa probinsya ako.
Ako din, nasa province din naman ako, pero I was born in Manila.
Ah, okay. Ilan taon na si ma'am? Okay lang.
How old I am? Next question, please.
Sige, sige.
Mama!
Intindi.
Oh my game!
Intindi.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mommy.
Mabaw mga gifters ito guys. Ang titindi.
Huh? No?
What happened?
They're not my gifters, they're my family.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yeah. You see my names like there, like yeah. Meet Lil Mama, meet Papi Gabe.
How
And
you doing,
you're
sir? Nice to meet you, brother.
TPZ,
Nice to
right?
meet you, bro.
Hello sir, ma'am.
Nice to meet you, bro.
Hold on, let me. Oh my God, you got a lot of followers, then you have a lot of viewers.
Hindi, actually, ano, dami account ko to, ma'am.
So you're telling this is a dummy account?
Yes. Oo.
So
Dang,
what's
you got
your
a lot
main
of followers.
account?
2.0.
2 million?
No, 2.0 yung ano, yung account.
TC.
900.
So you almost have 1 million followers?
Ito to. Ano kasi may save me kasi. Paano kaya makita yan?
So how many followers you got? Because it's okay. Like I believe you.
933,000.
Oh,
Almost 1 million.
how many? He almost have 1,000 viewers right now there, right? How many viewers you got right now?
Mag-800.
See, Papi. Mama, say hello to the other side. Hello, everyone. Because we're only 3 here. Oh my God.
Pero dun sa ano, original account ko,
But they don't ever.
minimum 1K, maximum 5K.
Minimum 1K, maximum 5K. Like, I don't get that.
Viewers.
Viewers.
Yes.
Minimum 1K
Well,
viewers?
he's got 1 to 5,000 viewers at a time. That's a lot, bro.
Yes.
Oh my God. Like, how do you handle it? Like, you're supposed to start, like, like pro?
No, hindi. Hindi naman ako nag-PK. Ako, ma'am, nagko-content ako.
So, can we ask, like, what's your content? Kunin mo yung tubig mo nila.
Wanted sweetheart.
Wanted, so, you're like
They-
a cute. Chokes me a lot. So, it's like a Cupid. How do you say it, Mama? Like Papi Gabe.
What's that?
He's doing like a speed dating.
Matchmaker, parang ganun, matchmaker.
Matchmaker.
Matchmaker. Okay.
Tapos yung mga video dito, ina-upload ko sa Blue Up.
I should be a match. I could be a matchmaker. Never did that, bro.
So, how do you do it? Like, thank you, David. Thank you, Berna.
Kasi umaakit sila sa live ko. Pag akit ng babae, may akit na lalaki. Usap
So,
sila.
is it like every day, like you're gonna be choosing like one girl or one woman, or one man? Like
The first
that?
is girl. Then the
Okay.
second one.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the follow, David. Thank you, Isham.
Guys, follow niyo
Oh,
sila guys. Oh.
my God. You know what? Someone here in the comments said, you are famous.
No, no.
Someone here in the comment, maybe from your people.
Ito siya.
Thank you for all the follow. I appreciate you all. Thank you.
That's very nice of them to follow me. Yeah. Really nice.
Oh, are you a policeman, like an officer or what? Don't mind if I ask you.
Just before, I'm already served almost 10 years in service.
Oh wow. Okay.
Oh, thank you for the service. But you're too young to retire, my God.
He looks really young.
He does.
Like, yeah. My God, Mama, like, how many follow? Hold on,
I
how
am
many follow?
a former member of PNP Special Action Force here in the Philippines.
Oh nice.
Oh,
Yes, since I am 24
thank you,
years old.
Mama. Mama.
You're
Thank you,
20.
Mama.
Hold on. Since you were 24 or you are 24?
No. Since I'm 24, I'm already 34 years old now.
Oh, you look younger than
Oh,
that,
Yeah,
bro.
you look way
young, bro.
younger.
yeah, you look, I thought like you're only like 30
20
or
something.
29.
Because I'm still a virgin.
Yes, TPJ, he's a famous po. You're still a virgin?
Yeah.
Oh, weh. We need receipts.
Receipts.
How can we trust you? My God.
That's funny.
That is funny. That just caught me off guard.
You know what? I got like
I'm a
your
virgin too.
viewers coming.
But I resigned on the service because I want to broke my virginity here in for
You want
being
to
a
broke it?
yes. Because 10 years in serving in this country, no, I'm still a virgin, but I want to experience something like
Never mind.
Papi Gabe, do you believe in that? Like the phone?
Hell no. And I'm the president of the United States.
Then he's an officer, right?
And a gentleman. That's what they say, right? Officer
Yeah,
and a gentleman.
officer and a gentleman.
Virgin but damaged. The fuck? Ay, to everyone there, like from the other side, to your people, like there are some of them are here. Thank you so much. I appreciate you with that. Everyone,
guys,
thank
follow
you.
niyo sila ma'am
Thank
sa
you for all the follow and meet my family here. This is Papi Gabe and Lil Mama.
Nice to meet you guys, everybody on
They,
that side.
don't worry, they don't bite. They don't, you can follow. You can give them a follow too. They're good people. We're all good people. Yeah.
Do you have a team?
No, we don't really have a team to be honest, but we have a good family. Only like we're not really like a lot, just a few
True
But
family
most-
or family here in TikTok?
here in TikTok.
I have also a family here in TikTok. So, my family here in TikTok almost 1,400.
The fuck, that's a lot. How would Bobby user could handle like that? A lot.
And still a virgin. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
But you know what?
Joy Pearl, holy shit. Arceli,
Wait,
thank you
wait.
everyone for the follow.
1,500 and 1,400 and all of them, I'm
Virgin.
his or her father. Yeah. Aking tatay nila.
Oh. But how come? But no, I don't trust you. I don't believe you're virgin. Can I
Why?
see? Tatay. Virgin and then lahat ng bata siya ang tatay. My God.
Pakitaan nyo nga, Team TPC, puntahan nyo doon para makita. Lahat ng nakalogo na ganito, Team 2.0, lahat mga anak ko yan.
Joke lang yun, B.
Hindi,
Ang
pakitaan
dami
nyo.
niyang tao. 900 yung tao niya. 900 people. My God.
Hindi, sabi kasi nila, ngayon lang,
why?
alam mo kung bakit sila nandito?
Oo.
Ngayon lang daw sila nakakita ng virgin.
Ano ba to? Content lang ba to? Yung virgin na yan? Or ano?
No, it's,
Sa Lugyan, sobrang bait niya ni 2.0. Ah, okay. Kami din naman, mabait din naman kami. Puro joke-joke lang naman yung ano namin. Yung ano.
pero sa totoo,
Pero
alam mo kung-
nakakaloka ha. 10
Pero
years ka
totoo-
na sa service.
Oh,
Yes.
they're sniping.
Nice
alam mo,
sniping. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papi Gabe.
alam mo, Ma'am Gucci?
Oh. Gucci na lang, wag na, Ma'am.
Okay, Gucci. Dati takot ako sa kagat eh. Ngayon parang gusto ko na magpakagat.
Marami ka naman tao. Marami kakagat sa'yo dyan. My God. Napanood ko siya sa Tulfo. Napanood ko sa Tulfo yung palaki na yan, niloko, yung lalaki na yan, niloko yung asawa niya.
I-search mo na lang sa tulpo.
Ikaw?
Mm-mm.
Natulpo ka?
Mm-mm.
Bakit? Niloko mo yung asawa mo?
Tanungin mo si Tulpo.
You know, okay. It's a little bit hard. Let me translate it to them. You know, like, somebody here in the comments saying like he was got televised, like one of the how would I say it, Papi Game, like he's like he's like a lawyer, like he's helping a lot of legal case here in the Philippines, but it's televised, so he was there already. Like somebody complained him already that he cheated his wife. Then he's saying like he's a virgin. Like that's weird. Mama!
So he cheated on his wife, but he's a virgin. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah. Makes sense. Right?
According
According to.
How did you cheat if you're a virgin?
no, being a virgin is still a joke. I'm kidding. No, according to allegation.
Allegation.
Yes.
But
Okay,
I mean,
gotcha.
like, can we ask you, like, is it real? Like, I mean, like, is that real? Like, you're married, right?
No, I'm not married, but I have a partner.
Okay.
I have a daughter also.
Lulusot pa, aray ko.
A partner. Okay, I'm just trying to understand.
A partner, Papi Gabe, like, a live-in partner like that.
Yes.
Okay, because sometimes partner means a different thing. I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Hindi, ganun talaga. Kasi dati sa atin sa Pilipinas, kung ano yung nakikita nila, maniniwala na lang sila. But
Yeah.
still, we have justice here in the Philippines. We have a court to justify what is the truth or not.
No,
Right.
let me, how would I say it? I've seen, parang alam naman natin, no, like, generally, like, mostly, like, like, Filipinos sometimes, they're biased, biased to the point, like, they could only see the other side story. They're not, even if they would hear both story, on, like, both story, like, they're still gonna judge both end too.
Hindi, kasi when the time that I'm televised on TV5, that station tried to reach out to me. And hindi ako sumagot. Kasi sa
Papi, Lil Mama, this is really getting serious, to be honest.
ang news kasi, hindi siya proper judicial, hindi siya proper jurisdiction for that matters.
Okay.
That's why I know the laws. So that's why nang nagreklamo yung babae, then sinagot ko. Then actually yung babae natalo sa kaso. Yun lang. That's
Hold
it.
on.
Kasi
The thing is, like, hold on. It just make me think, like, how would you, I mean, like, how did she, like, sue you for cheating or what? Like, I don't know. If you're not legally married, like, di kami. Legal ba kayo nakasal?
I'm not married.
So you both are not married.
Yes. There is
Does it,
hindi, isa lang ang dahilan kung bakit nangyari yun. Yung merong tawag dito, personal intent. That's why nangyari yung situation na yun.
Mama, is it, I don't know, like, if it's just the same here, if, is it there, like, if you're not married, like, legally, like, do you have any, like, how do you call it, like, the rights, or to do, like, a legal action, regardless with your partner, or what, Papi Gabe?
Yes,
Well,
ma'am.
there's certain laws that say that like after a certain amount of time legally you're pretty much married. What is it, no, Mama? I think it's like a period of like 5
They're
years.
not
If you're,
married,
Isn't
Mama.
it
They're not
7?
married.
Like
something
7?
like
Either
that.
7 or 10.
Something like that. Yeah. So legally, like, there's certain things that classify you as a married couple if you're together for a certain amount of time, living together.
Oh.
Yeah.
Because here in the Philippines, like
Hmm.
we have a different law, or how would I say it? But I don't know. Like I've never been married to, but I think as long as you're not married, like neither one is have the rights. Not unless it's a crime already, like a physical thing already. Like you could sue the other person, but regardless with the cheating, adultery, or what, like if you're not married, like no. But if there would be an involvement, regardless with money, so there might
Oh,
be it's a different case already.
when it comes to monetary, okay, money.
Hold on, like TPZ, don't get me wrong, okay? Like I have like 10 viewers here, but they're kinda against you. Like I'm not, I don't know the story or anything, but I mean, like, people, like, let's just, I mean, like, I don't know the story, but please, like, can we not just judge other people, like,
Respectfully, yeah.
No,
yeah.
kasi ganun talaga sa Pilipinas. So we have a freedom of speech. So they can say whatever.
Oh,
Diba?
I mean, like, yeah, I know. Kasi ako, kahit, Mama, Papi Gabe, let me just talk on our, like, a little, like, in our language, then I'm just gonna translate it,
Yeah,
but,
yeah, for sure. Go
yeah.
for it. Yeah.
Kasi ako, like, just on me, just on my part, like, even though, like, how bad the person was, pero, hindi kasi ako, hindi ako, yung, yung magkasabi ng pangit or mag-judge ng not unless siguro kung family ko. I mean, like, I could talk back, pero hindi para, di ba? Pero, kasi, I don't know, ang hirap, it's a lot, to be honest. Bakit? No! Mr. Safety Officer, like, no. I'm not into anyone or neither him. Like, I don't know him. Ngayon ko lang siya na-meet. Ngayon ko lang siya naka-match. And the first thing is I've been streaming here in the app for 2 years, but I have never been to anyone. So, Mr. Officer C, so, like, it's free to be, like, to be kind. Pero, I mean, like, I cannot say anything or ano man. It's your thing. It's all your choice. It's all your decision po. Pero, nagulat lang ako. I'm kinda surprised a little bit what's going on the chat right now, because people, we should respect people even if they're criminal.
Hindi ka pa nga kriminal, hindi ka na respect eh. Ganun talaga ang Pilipino. O hindi na tayo makikilaman yung bago din. Patigasan na lang ng mukha.
I mean, like, I don't know him. I don't know TPC. I don't know him. Like, this is the first time I met him, like, with doing a battle, like, to be honest. But just on general, I mean, like, speaking of general, generally, like, like, humans. So,
Kasi ang nagko-comment sa'yo dyan, most of them, na-block dito sa akin.
oh, okay po. Pero
Kaya,
hindi naman po sa nakikialam ako or what. yes, they could say like they have the freedom of speech here. Like they could say
Okay lang.
whatever they want. Yeah.
Wala namang ano yun eh. Kumbaga, hindi natin
Miss
kailangan.
Berna, thank you. Bonifacio, Mr. Safety Officer, thank you.
One game na lang ako, mama.
Yeah. And thank you po sa lahat po na nag-follow. Na-appreciate ko po kayo. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Follow niyo sila, guys.
Justin Candido, thank you for the follow. My God, I got 28 followers from him.
So, mas malaki pa yan dun sa isa kong account. Ito kasi win-workout ko lang to pinaparami ko.
Anyway, Mr. TPC, whatever it is, just keep praying, and God will always find the way to, to light up everything. And kung wala kang ginawa masama, God will do your thing. Just keep praying.
Sige, sige. Thank you, salamat. Sir, ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone, and nice to meet you, Mr. TPC.